calling Panda Garden to order some pandas and Roman noodles. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Hello? 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 Let's do another one.
Hurry up.
Do you know?
Would you just look for one?
I think we should do like a club.
Like
Irish pub. The Happy Rooster. Which one? The Irish pub? Which one?
The Irish pub.
Alright.
What did he say?
It said, who is it?
467.
What did you say?
Fine.
It's someone.
925.
I have my phone. Bye.
No, I'm in a conversation.
Here we go. Here we go. This is a pub. Be like, yo. Yo.
Hello?
Yo.
Hi, who's this?
Yeah, Trick.
Yeah, Trick. Yeah. Do you have beer?
Yeah, we're at pub.
Yeah, I noticed. That's why I called. Duh.
Hey, can I help you with something?
How's your day been going?
Pretty good, thanks. How
What did you get for Christmas?
Have a good day.
Bye.
What did you get for Christmas?
Have a good day.
Have a good day. He was like, good. No, he sounded gay. You know, he was like, good. How's your been?
Yeah, he sounds. Yeah.
He didn't sound old enough to be working at a bar.
Well, you can't have any beer either. She stuffed her fin in her mouth.
O'Hara's Fish House. Ew. I'd be like, stinky, stinky. 567.
No!
215. 349. 900. Here we go. Is this calling O'Hara's Fish House. G'day, mate.
Smelly. O'Hara's Fish House. How may I help you?
Smelly.
Smelly. Fish are smelly.
Sorry.
Fish are smelly. Bye. Before she even said bye.
You guys can quit calling now.
Do you want some sushi?
That was so funny.
Excuse me?
Excuse me?
But you're going to say if I wanted cheese. You're hard to hear. But I knew it was you. I told you she would know. You're hard to hear though. That's why Ruth one said, what? Yes, because you're hard to hear. They're called Irish.
She has it on video. Let her listen to it.
The guy goes, yeah, we're a pub. She goes, so how was your day? He goes, good. She goes, what did you get for Christmas? Bye.
I started making like this whole conversation. Oh, he was like, well, we're a pub. And I was like, yeah, I know. That's why I called. Duh. He's still videotaping it. Show your mom what it sounds like.